if you've been struggling, if you're a little bit technically challenged like myself, this is a system you're going to want to check out. This is produced over and over and over and over again, and it's not some passing fly-by-night sort of method, loophole, trick, or anything like that. This is the real deal. It's been working for 10 years for David, and it's going to continue to work over and over and over again. And that's the cool part about this, is prestige is proven. And we know for a fact this works because we use this in our business as well. So if you are done with this struggling and you want to follow somebody who's been doing this for a long time. And I'll tell you, a lot of people come and go in this business, but Mr. David Kirby, he is Mr. Steady Eddie and has been for the better part of a decade. So what you're going to do right now is you're going to scroll down the page, you're going to check out all the proof, all the testimonials, and get the information about what's inside Prestige. Then you're going to click that button right away, because if this is launch week, you're getting an amazing 62% off discount, and you want to capitalize on that very quickly. So go. Right now, check it out, scroll down, read all the details, or just click the button below this video right now, get started, and I'll see you in the members area in just a minute. Later.